If you're having trouble finding the right black decor, maybe the problem isn't your taste, it's your sources. Because the truth is, a lot of websites do carry unique, one-of-a-kind black decor. They just don't call it that. So in this episode, we're looking at 5 out-of-the-box black decor sites. These are websites you wouldn't normally think to shop for black decor. You may not know they exist, but if you know what to look for and how to search, you can find pieces that feel cultural, intentional, and not like everyone else's house. And I'm not just going to hand you a list. I'm walking you through each site step by step, what to click and what to type so you can get to the goods fast. And with that, let's get started. Family, welcome back to Mommy Room Redo, the channel that celebrates our homes, our culture, and our creativity, one soulful space at a time. In this video, I'm sharing 5 out-of-the-box black decor sites, places you wouldn't normally think to shop. But once you know how to use them, they'll expose you to brand new, wonderful resources. Alright, so our first stop is the Black Market Vintage website. Here, you can find black decor that isn't just visual. It has a story. On this website, you'll find explicit black history, pieces that are great conversation starters, and nothing on this site feels mass-produced. When you land on the site's homepage, navigate over to the menu, hit shop, scroll down to Black Market Vintage Merch. Click and find rare vintage flashcards as well as poster prints such as this Juneteenth poster right here. You can frame them for instant black decor. Also, check out those vintage Jet and Ebony magazine covers. Those make great framing prints as well. And you will never go wrong with these vintage albums. I've seen people frame covers, and I've also seen people use the vinyl records as decor. Don't leave this area without checking out that book, Black Market Vintage. It was authored by the 2 entrepreneurs that founded this Brooklyn-based retailer. You can use it as a coffee tabletop book, and it will definitely spark conversation. Next, head over to the furnishings area. There you can see carved masks and other prints. No matter what, when you look at an item, click on the description because that's where the magic is. Even if you decide not to buy an item, you will always learn a lesson. Now I want to direct you to Chairish. On this website, you won't find black decor as a subcategory. You will need to search by origin instead. Now, this is the site that you visit when you want to find pieces that are unique, not trendy. This site is special because it has a globally designed archive, one-of-a-kind vintage pieces, and items that have a strong presence. Now, I will be the first to admit that this website is not giving black decor, but you have to know how to search to find the gems. First thing I want you to do is go up to the search bar and type in vintage African, hit enter. When you do that, a left sidebar is going to appear with some filters. As you see here, you have over 800 items to choose from. You can filter down more if you like, but start here, look around. I clicked through the site at this level just to show you the various items that are available. Here I'm showing you that you can even shop for fabric on this site. This is vintage charcoal striped African mudcloth. If you'd like to filter further, you can shop by antiques, furniture, or by a certain price point. So don't let the home page fool you. Chairish is one of those shopping secrets when it comes to finding affordable, unique, African-inspired decor. Novica is the third website I'd like to bring to you. It's one of the largest online trade marketplaces in the world. And it's your secret source to beautiful items that you can access without ever leaving your home. The site claims that artisans make more money while you pay less. Once again, the home page does not give you any indication that you can find black decor here, but you absolutely can, and let me show you how. When you land on the site's home page, click on the region tab, then scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Africa. When you get here, you'll find a number of categories as well as subcategories. For the purpose of this exercise, I want you to focus on African masks, African decor, sculpture, wall decor, paintings, and African furniture. Let's start with African masks. First, I want you to note that there are more than 1,000 items on this page, which is incredible to me. And they highlight what's on sale for the day. And if you navigate over to your left, you can refine your search even further. Expect to be on this site a very long time as you have a wealth of choices. I do want to just pause at African furniture. Beautiful pieces, very affordable, and you can even read the reviews from customers who actually purchased. And a bonus is that you get to read the background of the person that created your piece. So you see what they're about, and you can find other pieces that they created on the site. So I thought that was pretty cool. In fact, I was so impressed with Novica. I thought that this must be some kind of trick or gimmick, or there's something going on. This can't be real. So I put through an order figuring that they're probably going to blow up the bargain with heavy shipping charges. And as you see here, that is not the case. So head on over to Novica and get your beautiful bargain black decor on. The Smithsonian National Museum of African Art store. At the Smithsonian, you'll find wall art, furniture, accessories, and gorgeous tabletop books. I personally love shopping at museums because you find unique decor with historical meaning. Then of course you can just find things that are super fun, like this bowl that says, "Be your own sugar daddy," a quote from Grace Jones. If you're not able to visit a museum store live, you can still secure some great black decor online. I suggest you visit the Smithsonian National Museum of African American History and Culture website. Click shop when you get to the home page. That will take you to the museum store. Scroll down to shop with us online. Click shop, and that's going to open to various categories. For black decor, you'll want to start with the home and books options. Under home, you're going to find a long list of beautiful items that you can incorporate in your space. I'm going to highlight just a couple. Let's pause at this Michelle Obama bronze tone bust for only $40. I also want to highlight this rainbow spiral warming basket for just $60. You use this to keep your food warm. What a lovely item to keep on your table. Of course, they have pillow covers, and these babies can transform your space in a New York minute. So you can pick one of these. But after you check that out, I want you to use your back button and navigate to the categories space again and click on books. This page is golden. These are all of the coffee tabletop books that you can buy for decor, conversation, and just your own interest. Love this page. And I think you will too. And there you have it. If you're looking for a black decor that has meaning, check out the Black museums. My fifth pick is Goodie. Goodie is a curated design collective. It focuses on ethical, artisan-made home decor. Most people don't know about this site, but even if they do, they probably haven't searched for black decor here. When you land on the Goodie homepage, I want you to navigate to the tab that says Makers. It will open to the various regions that are represented, and I want you to navigate to Africa and the Middle East for black decor. At the time of this video, there were 98 products from this particular region that are listed, and the products are wide ranging. So you see this pillow, plate, canisters, all beautiful. And they range in price as well. So you have this broom for $48 next to this fancy lamp that's almost $5,000. On Goodie, black decor isn't labeled. It's revealed through who made it and how. To truly enjoy this website, you need to do 3 things. Click around, be open-minded, and have fun. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. All right, so which of these sites are you willing to bookmark today? Let us know down in the comments. I want to leave you with a soft life moment. Having a home with black decor isn't just about filling your space with a bunch of African-inspired pieces. No, ma'am. It's about using better resources and being intentional about what you bring in. Before you shop, know the story that you want your home to tell before that piece even enters your space. Your home will start to feel calmer, more personal, and more you. That's not just a soft life, that's grown. Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.